What is that noise? Mommy cooking something? Oh, what? It's coming out of this iPhone SE 2020. Listen to this. What is going on? Let me see if I turn it off and do a restart, maybe. Okay, so I turn it off. Let's do the restart. That is crazy. I think my mom only had this for about like what, 2 years, something like this. Okay, starting back up right now. I hope this sound is gone because I have no idea what to do next. Maybe it's a battery issue, processor issue, but this is no longer under warranty, so. Alright. Okay, so it looks like it's fine now. Let me go ahead and play a video from YouTube. So it appears fine now, so I have no idea what that was about, guys. So yeah, if you guys know what's wrong, hit me up in the comment section because that's pretty alarming. I don't know if it's a common issue with the iPhone SE 2020.